Hello friends, let's see how to solve this equation. Here we can write this as 5x plus 25 can be written as 5 square power x equal to 650. Now here is 5x plus this can be written as 5 2 into x equal to 650 because we know a power m into n equal to a power m into n. Now 5x plus x square equal to 650. Now let's put 5x equal to p so that p plus p square equal to 650. That's p square plus p transpose here. This will become minus 650 equal to 650. Now this is a quadratic equation and we will factorize this by splitting the middle term. Now this we will see 650 can be factorized as 26 into 25 and 26 minus 25 is equal to 1. That's coefficient of p. So we can write this p square plus 26p minus 25p minus 650 equals 0. Take p common, p plus 26, take minus common and 25 common. Here will remain p plus 25 equal 0. Now in these two terms p plus 26, here is 26 equals 0. Now in these two terms p plus 26 can be take common, remain p minus 25 equals 0. Now p plus 26 equals 0, p minus 25 equals 0. P equal 26 minus 26, here p equal 25. Now substitute value of p, that is 5x equal to minus 26 and here 5x equal 25. Power, now remember this thing, power of any positive number can never be negative, so this statement is false and is rejected. And this side, so here we can write this 5x equal to 25 is square of 5, that is 5 square. Now we know if the base on both sides are same, powers are equal. So x equal to 2, this is the answer. So value of x is 2.